Hey y'all, so I'm gonna be trying the fruit roll up challenge. To find me a spoon. Let's see. Oh, no. All right, we got the Breyers vanilla ice cream right here, and then we have the fruit roll up. Let's get it. Gonna get me a scoop. Basically, you put the ice cream. I don't want to put too much. Still lactose tolerant. Okay, so, but I love Breyers. Hope that's not too much. All right, y'all see? I'm trying to smash this so I can. Basically, you put it in the middle of the fruit roll up, the ice cream, and then you just roll it up. Let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna roll mine differently. Stay. There we go. All right, y'all, let's see. And it's crunchy because the ice cream makes it crunchy. Because I didn't even put it in the freezer. Let's see. Y'all hear the crunch sound? Woo! Cold. It made the fruit roll up cold and frozen. Look at this, y'all. It's like I'm eating on the bag of shit. Y'all gotta try this. It's so good. Wow.